Hi everyone, and welcome to Mosmatic's latest product in its hurricane range, the 12-inch Hurricane Underbody Washer. This underbody washer is designed for flows of 12 litres a minute and above, making it very versatile to most pressure cleaners on the market. The main benefit of this underbody washer is Mosmatic's unique high-impact stabilizer nozzles, coupled with its low 148mm profile, allows it to fit under most cars, trucks, vehicles and other machinery. This cleaner is ideal for any under chassis cleaning situations, whether it's getting sand and salt off after a day at the beach, rust, grime or grease when it comes to servicing underneath the vehicles or any other inspections. The Mosmatic 12-inch Hurricane Underbody Washer makes the job easy. If you would like more information, please visit www.mosmatic.com to find out.